sorry for not posting for so long. Like, the school term has been really stressful, and you know that we're not allowed to use devices during weekdays, so we can't like post back to back. But now we are back on our summer holiday. Today we're going to a supermarket so that we can like get like cheese, ketchup, unsliced bread, aka agege bread, and sausages. Because we saw a simple recipe for bread pizza and we want to try it out for breakfast. Say hi, Coco.
Hi. Hi.
So we're on our way.
Hi.
We'll see you at the store.
We're at the store.
We are here. We are at Spar.
Yeah, that's what we have to try this.
In
So what's the name, sir?
guys, soon we're going to need to go. Soon we're going to need to go in hunt for our ingredients. Let's go.
Hi, Zoo. Hi, Zoo. Say hello. She's not interested.
I think we should get the bread first.
Yeah.
No. Bread.
What?
But we can do it with.
You can actually do the sliced ones too.
It's sliced.
Or you know you can actually do it.
See unsliced.
You know you can probably do it with like a proper tortilla, right?
Oh yeah. That would be cool.
Right?
So instead of bread, we're doing tortilla. So that's unsliced. Into the cart.
What was that last thing you hold?
My hanky.
Time for cheese and sausages.
Yes.
Now dilemma of which cheese we're getting, right?
Yes. Cheese. Oh, this looks good.
Is this sliced?
We should
I'm
probably.
thinking of getting the ones we can grate in.
Oh, see, cheddar. A good block of cheddar.
Let's see.
Oh, there's also mozzarella.
Yeah, mozzarella is not bad.
So should we get both or?
No, we're not getting any both though.
I think mozzarella is better. Sobi.
Oh,
Okay guys, the video is getting too long. We'll tell you what cheese we'll choose towards the end.
We eventually chose a cheese.
Okay, we finally chose a cheese. And the sausage. Wait, mommy, how much did you say this cheese was?
11,000 something.
11,000 naira just for cheese. Wow.
Almost 4,000.
Almost 4,000.
I'm still playing around with getting extra.
Just no dollars in naira.
Red cheese ketchup.
Yeah, ketchup. Oh, those oranges look orange.
We're at the ketchup aisle.
This one,
In
this
the
one
ketchup
frolic.
aisle.
Frolic tomato ketchup, 1 kg, 2,400. This is it now. This is it. Is this 1 kg? No, this. Yeah, this makes sense. 2,004 whatever. That one is 2,000 and it's small, right?
Yeah.
This is 2,004 whatever for 1 kg.
Exactly.
Extra 10%. This is it.
Yeah. Just know it's not sponsored.
Huh?
Just know ketchup is not sponsoring this video.
Yeah.
We haven't gotten there yet.
Yeah. What are you saying? Did we?
Yes.
Did they put?
Yes, he said.
I did pepper sprinkle, like not pepper sauce, like pepper powder. Like pepper sauce.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're done. Yay!
Well done.
Down.
But the thing is, do you know why these things are here? Because actually, let me tell you a story. So my dad gave me 2,000 naira so that I can buy anything that I like that is like 2,000 and below. Now I have 500 left, and I don't think anything here is 500. So I got color pencils at supplies. I love them. You guys were in the process now. We've gotten home. We've gotten all our ingredients. We've gotten our messy kitchen. We've got our mommy. And now we're making the pizza. There's no need to get pizza sauce. Just use ketchup. Ketchup is the perfect alternative for pizza sauce. Say hi, Nene.
It is pizza.
Yeah, so this is no need for pasta sauce or whatever sauce. Pizza sauce. It's ketchup anyway.
Yes.
So you know what they call pizza sauce? I think they'll just add some chili pepper to ketchup and that's it.
Not even ketchup, like tomato paste. Sausage. I think you cut it too deep.
Bombastic side eye.
Hi guys, it's Yanis and I didn't even know when I gave her a side eye because it was completely random. Bye.
So light. Why is it so light?
I'm used to ketchup being deep. But on camera, you guys don't be fooled. On camera it looks dark. In real life, it's almost pink. Trust me. I don't know whether it's the filter, but it's literally almost pink. Yes. Don't be fooled by the camera. I'm telling you the truth. So now we're spreading it. Wait, Mom, can I taste the ketchup?
Yeah.
I like this ketchup more than any other ketchup. It tastes like all those restaurant packet ketchup. I can have this with bread all day long.
Yeah.
Just now I can eat this like this. Don't say I'm disgusting, but ketchup with.
Nana.
Oh, I painted my nails by the way.
To turn on the oven.
Like them? They're my favorite color. Red. I don't think you guys knew that before, but my favorite color is red. So is my mom's. That's why her glasses are red.
Yeah.
So like we're just spreading the sauce.
My favorite color is pink.
I think those sausages are burning.
They're not burning.
So that's enough. I think we have enough.
Exactly. Why did you cut it on both sides? Now it looks like a zipper.
It's mommy.
Oh,
It looks
see,
good.
it looks like a zipper. It resembles it. Okay.
Time for some chili pepper.
Chili pepper.
Type of stuff. See.
Yeah, me too. We are putting the sausages on. So you guys, I'm going to stop recording until like these bread ones are inside the oven. But we're going to try with like shawarma bread, tortillas,
Whatever I want to call it.
yeah, so that we can be like a pizza. So guys, I'm going to start editing the video. Yeah,
A very long process.
not always long. Wait, we can't miss this part. Cheese. Hold on.
Yeah.
Cheese.
I love cheese. Even though I'm
Oven starting. Ooh, look at that cheese. I can't wait. Cheese is the best part of everything. I love cheese. But I haven't had cheese in a while.
yeah.
Like the other time when I was smaller, I went to a restaurant and there was cheese on display. Like it was an all-you-can-eat buffet. There was cheese on display, and I opened it up and took a whole piece of cheese and just. I loved it.
Oh, I remember that all you can eat buffet.
For our grandpa's birthday. Sprinkle more pepper.
Right.
Yes, please.
Because we are what?
Nigerians. Okay, more. And we're frying more sausages. Okay, guys. 10 minutes is almost up.
Very generous with this ketchup because we don't have as much cheese remaining.
Yeah. And cheese is most of the flavor.
No, ketchup is also flavor.
I don't know.
Everything is most of the flavor.
Everything is a flavor.
Okay, so guys, I'm going to stop videoing once and for all.
But we'll show you the finished product.
Yeah. So I'm going to go and charge this device. Bye. Quick YouTube video. Look at this. This is deliciousness. Okay, I'm about to find out the cheese pull. Do we need this? Oh, I'm hesitant to. You know what?
Ah, wonderful.
Drum.
Guys, you need to try for yourself.
If you noticed, I'm changed. I'm dressed up. That's because I'm going to my cousin's birthday party. I'm not gonna make a video out of that. Too much content, overwhelming 10-year-old mind. So let's show you the finished outcome. We're actually bringing the pizza we made for them. Imagine it's not there. but that is amazing. Anyways, guys, we've come to the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed watching. Bye.
Bye from Z Squad.
Z Squad going out.
Bloopers!
I forgot to hit record. Anyways.
You guys, the reason our voices sound stuffy is because the weather is really funny and we have a cold, so yeah.